Hey guys, how's it going? How to change someone's name on Instagram chat. So go ahead and open up the Instagram, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the DMs at the top. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the person that you want to change their name. Let's have an example, this one. So I'm gonna click their name at the top. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to click right here, nicknames. So this person I follow, right? So it's, as you can see right here, nicknames are only visible in this chat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it to people you follow, everyone in this chat, or only you. You can manage the privacy. Okay, and you can go ahead and change that nickname, right? And then hit done at the top. Okay, so now you're gonna be able to change the nickname of yourself, right? As for this person, for example, cannot uh, you cannot change their name because they uh, turn it off, right, from their settings. So let's have an example. This one, for example, right? We're gonna click their name at the top and then click nicknames, and I could go ahead freely and change their nickname, right? And then I can control basically, or basically the other person uh, can see what name did I change, right? And I can change the privacy by clicking the blue highlighted word at the top. And who can edit your nickname? Everyone in this chat, people you follow, or only you. So if that person tries to change their nickname, right, trying to change your nickname, you're gonna be able to manage it from here, right? But if you want to change their nickname, you're gonna be able to see the highlighted blue word from their side, and they can control that independently. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time.